Running a small business can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to save time, cut costs, and get more done, all with the power of AI? Let me show you how. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best tools and tips to leverage AI for success. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive into how small businesses can harness AI to boost productivity. First, let's talk about automation. Tools like Zapier can connect your apps and automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can automatically send customer inquiry emails to a Google Sheet or notify your team on Slack when a sale is made. This saves hours every week, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Next, AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT can transform customer service. They're available 24/7, can handle common questions, and even guide customers to the right products or services. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also reduces the workload on your team. Struggling to create content? AI tools like Jasper can write social media posts, blogs, and even marketing emails in minutes. Just input your topic and Jasper will generate professional content tailored to your audience. Think of it as your personal content assistant. Organize your workflow with tools like Trello's AI-powered add-ons. They can suggest deadlines, prioritize tasks, and even send reminders to your team. Staying on top of your projects has never been easier. Finally, AI tools like Notion, AI, or Tableau help you analyze data and identify trends. Whether it's tracking sales, understanding customer behavior, or optimizing marketing campaigns, these insights allow you to make data-driven decisions for better results. There you have it, 5 ways small businesses can use AI to boost productivity. Start small, experiment with these tools, and watch how they transform your operations. Which AI tool will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips that can take your business to the next level.